In this video, I'm going to introduce you to simultaneous equations when you need to multiply a row by -1. So, in the previous video, we went straight to step 2 where we were adding the rows straight away. But you can see in this question here, if I added the rows straight away, nothing would cancel. 4x and x would be 5x, minus 2y and minus 2y would be minus 4y. So this is where now we're using this red box above here. Remember, you have to have the same number in front of your x or y's to cancel. One has to be positive, one has to be negative. So if needed, you need to multiply a row by -1. So let's do that now. I'm going to multiply the second row because the numbers are a bit smaller, so that'll make it a bit easier. So multiplying by -1. X will become minus x, minus 2y will become plus 2y, and 3 will become minus 3. Now, let's add straight down. 4x minus x will be 3x. Minus 2y plus 2y will cancel. And then 21 minus 3, that will be 18. So now divide by 3. So x is equal to 18 over 3. So x is equal to 6. Now, so I've just found one of the variables, so x is 6. Now, like before as well, substitute into either original equation to find other variable. So I'm going to actually substitute into the second one. So remember, it's the original that you're substituting into. And the original was x minus 2y is equal to 3. So now putting 6 in for x, so I have 6 minus 2y is equal to 3. Bring the 6 across, so it'll be minus 6, so minus 2y is equal to 3, take 6, so minus 2y is equal to 3 minus 6 will be minus 3. So now there's a minus 2 in front of my y, so y is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 2. The negatives will cancel, so y is equal to 3 over 2. And that's my answer. Y equals 3 over 2 and x equals 6. Now, sometimes you could be asked as well to verify your answer. So to do this, I'm going to put my x value and my y value into the first equation and see does my equation balance. So my first equation was 4x minus 2y is equal to 21. So I'm going to have 4 times 6 minus 2 times 3 over 2. So for 6's, that is going to be 24. And then minus 2 times 3 over 2, that will be minus 3. So 24 minus 3 is going to be 21. And you can see there that on the right hand side of the equation was also 21. So yes, I am correct. Okay, let's try another one. So if you want to try this one now, you can pause the video yourself. Okay, so let's see how you did. If I add it straight down here, 2x and 2x would be 4x, y and 3y, sorry, y plus 2y would be 3y. So again, nothing will cancel. So let's multiply one of the rows here by -1, because I can see I already have 2's in front of my x's. I just need to make sure one of them is minus. So I'm going to multiply the top row by -1. So now I have minus 2x, minus y, and minus 11. A common mistake that people do is they just multiply whatever they're looking for. So they multiply the 2x in this one, and then they don't bother multiplying the y or the 11. You have to multiply the entire row. If you don't do that, you're going to get the rest of the question completely wrong. So make sure you multiply the entire row. Okay, so let's go to step 2 now and add the rows. Minus 2x plus 2x will cancel. Minus y plus 2y, that will just be y. And minus 11 minus 3, that will be minus 14. So straight away, the y part is done. So now let's substitute that back into one of the originals. So I'm going to sub it back into the first one. So 2x plus y equals 11. So now replacing y with minus 14. So 2x minus 14 is equal to 11. Let's bring the minus 14 to the other side. It'll become plus 14. So 2x is equal to 11 plus 14. So 2x is equal to 25. Divide by 2 now. So x is equal to 25 over 2. So we can leave it like that if we want, or else we can write it as 12.5, and that is our x value. So if you want, you could check this by subbing both values into the second one. So if you had to verify your answer. So the second equation was 2x plus 2y equals minus 3. So x now is 12.5. The y then was minus 14. So 2 times 12.5 is 25. 2 times minus 14 is minus 28. So 25 minus 28 is minus 3, which on the right hand side is also minus 3. So yes, you know you are correct. Okay, so any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.